Neuralizer, but you're not gonna remember that. And just because you see a black man driving in a nice car does not mean it's stolen. I stole that one.
What's your favorite thing to buy?
Shoes, Jordans.
What about your freedom?
Can you name me 3 countries outside of North America?
Can you name me 3 dogs you've eaten in the past month?
Do you know why the queen is the strongest piece in a game of chess?
Yes, because a chessboard looks like a kitchen floor.
I just want you to know that if you ever feel insecure about your size, just remember I appreciate the little things in life.
We've been over this. It's not funny.
Henry, it was a joke.
It's not funny.
Are you crying?
Yeah.
What is that?
1/8.
What does that mean?
Means you're higher than twice the legal limit.
Twice in legal minute?